Write down the value of 6 to the 0. Now, when a number is to the power of 0, we just divide it by itself. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Write down the value of 6 to the minus 2. Okay, so first up we're going to use up our negative. Now when we have a negative, it means we need to flip our number. This number is technically 6 over 1, 6 wholes. We flip it like we do on keep, change, flip when we divide fractions. That becomes 1/6. So we've used up the negative. Now we need to use up this power. So this means we square the numerator, we square the denominator. 1 times 1 is 1, and then 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. So that's our final answer. Okay, so laws of indices. When our bases are the same and it's a multiplication, we add these two indices together. So we now have 3 to the power of 9. And then we've got to do this division, which is 3 to the power of 3. And when it's a division, we subtract the indices. So we would do 9 take away 3, which would leave us with 6. So our final answer is 3 to the power of 6. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 15 degrees. Work out the number of sides of a polygon. Okay, there's a rule to follow. We do the total of the exterior angles, which is 316 degrees, 360 divided by the number of degrees. And that comes out as 24. We'd have a 24-sided polygon. But how does it work? So here I have an equilateral triangle. Each angle will be 60 because angles in a triangle add up to 180. And then if I just draw on the exterior angle, this angle here would be 120 because angles on a straight line add up to 180. This would also be 120. And this one here would also be 120. So we're proving here that 120 times 3, that would be 360. We've proved that the exterior angles add up to 360. You could try that with any shape, and you'll find that the total of the exterior angles always sums to 360. So you just remember your 360 and divide it by the number of degrees that you're given. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 12 degrees. Work out the number of sides of the polygon. So we use our formula, 360 divided by the sides of the exterior angle. We can do that on our calculator, and that will give us 30, which means the total of number of sides is 30. That would be a very strange shaped polygon.